I fucking can't take it from.
Alright. Just for Seiji.
That's it. That's it. Check it out, Kim Jr. His mind just goes.
Yeah, hold on, guys. I had to mute 3 of them. Sorry. Alright, where are we at? Where you guys at? Alright. So, which way you wanna go? Go this way? Alright, let's go in here. Oh, there might be something around the corner. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, nothing about it. Alright. Yeah, well, those whole thing on the floor. Yeah. You go. Hey, who's the one by themselves? Where did the other person go?
Oh shit! I didn't know I was on myself.
Look at you coming down there. Behind you! Oh my god, oh my god. I'm messing. There's one behind you. Alright, let's go. I don't get this. Is this like supposed to be a museum and there's like freaking boxes and there's nothing really museum-y in here? And how come there's no freaking light bulbs? Where are the lights? There's just brick and more brick. And brick and bricks. And more bricks. Oh, I hear a radio.
Oh shit!
Here we go. It's about
I'm
to.
gonna be frightened here.
Alright, it's about to.
I do not want to go in here.
Where the radio's at?
I do not want to be in here.
Where's the radio? You back here? Oh, I see it. Wait. No? Where the hell's the radio?
I hear it. I found it.
Where? Alright. I'm about to start. Go down. Let's go. Let's go to the red rope.
You see the white flag.
Alright, he's not behind us. Let's go straight. Look behind us.
Can't open this by myself. Tripping.
Alright, guys, still wanna go straight or right? I guess you go straight. No, wait, what's in the right room? Oh, yeah, there should be a tape recorder in here. Should be in the middle. Nope. Wait, I hear it. Where is it? Oh, shit. Alright, let's go towards the left. I don't see him so far. Should be coming anytime soon. Oh shit. Bloody footprints. Oh, what? Alright, I can't move. I can't move. Oh.
Oh god.
Wait, you saw him?
He's up behind us. He's up behind us. He's up behind us. Oh god. Oh god.
Where?
He's up in front of me. Oh good lord. Oh good lord.
Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Mommy! You still there? No. He's not there no more. Alright, we're gonna go right to left. Or right or straight. I'm gonna go this way. I hear a radio. We actually might win this one, oh crap. Oh, he's right behind us, don't look that way. Where's the radio? Hurry up, get the radio. Get the radio. Oh, I see it. It's right there.
You see the body around that formula.
Where is it? Alright, let's go to our right. Bro, please be behind this corner. No, he's not. Is he behind us? No. Alright. So, how's life, guys? While we're passing the time walking around here. How's life been going for you? Come on, guys. Tell me about life. Come on. I know you want to. Got that nice butt cheeks. Look at those nice. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, right there. Alright.
You see, you about to kill me.
Which way are we going? Look at, oh, you got those nice butt cheeks. Yo, Jimmy, look at those butt cheeks. Where is it? Oh, he creeping.
So, yo, if we don't look at him, ain't nothing gonna happen to us.
No, but he still can kill you though.
Oh, he's up behind me. He's up behind me. Oh, good lord.
Oh, he's right there. I'm about to die, guys. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Help me, help me, help me, help me. He's still behind us?
Yeah, he's still behind us. Right.
Oh my god, I'm about to die. No! Fuck!
See you dead.
Ah, here, guys.
God.
I think he just turned himself.
I'm in spectator mode. Wait, I think there's a wait.
Ooh, I see.
Come over here. Where you guys at?
Yo, you try to get it, yo.
Come this way. Go in that room.
Oh, good lord, let's load it for
Yo, wait, hold on. There might be a tape over here. There's a tape right there in the wall. Right, there's a booger. A booger. Don't look at it. Alright. Still no, come back this way. Just don't look at it. And bro, let's make a left through this rope. Alright, never mind, don't go through there. Just keep on going straight.
It's not him, is it?
No, it's not him, it's just don't look at it though. Or you will die.
Okay, what is it, yo?
Oh, he's over there. See him? He is over there. He is over there.
I wish I could see him in Ghost. I wish I could see him move around in Ghost. And just be in game chat though. That'd be kinda nice. What happened? Hey,
Oh, you got easy out of nowhere.
bro, you better run.
I didn't.